I'm Stephen Jones, and I'm here to talk to you about an issue that's very close to my heart. In the U.S., 2.18 people are killed annually in vending machine-related accidents. This is 3 times the average amount of annual shark attack deaths.
I was lucky enough to be only that .18.
This is our son.
He had so much potential. Captain of the competitive eating team.
Don't let this happen to you.
Spread the word. It could save a life. Or an arm.
For more information, visit www.vendingmachinesafety.org, where you can make a difference.